Hey everyone, it's Laura Breneman here. How's everyone doing in Sassy Strands? As you can see, I just got out of the shower, and so in today's video I'm just going to be going over what I do after I shampoo and condition. As you all may know, normally I use two different shampoos. That's just me, you don't have to do that. But I love the black 2-in-1 as my first lather. And I love the Renew for my second lather. And then I use the Intense Repair conditioner. Love that conditioner. It is lightweight, won't weigh your hair down, but it's got the great key ingredients that will help anchor your hair and combat hair loss. So, as you all know, I am a big fan of using a cotton towel to dry your hair. And when I say dry, I mean that's kind of just like loosely saying that. And I don't normally use a comb. I just run my fingers through my hair. So I shampooed, conditioner, got out of the shower. I did put on a little makeup for you guys. And I've just had the cotton tee on my hair for a little bit. Your styling products, they work best if you have really damp hair. You want to get to your hair before it dries normally. And so you want it really damp. I'm going to look in the mirror here and just make sure I got. All right, so, and what I do, I use the Intense Repair treatment spray. My thinning part is just top and center, so I use just a couple of sprays like that onto your scalp and just rub it in. It's not going to leave a greasy spot or anything, it's just water-based, so there you go, it's going to dry. You're going to use this morning and night for those people who have thinning issues. Like if someone was having, what is that called, postpartum hair loss or just things like that around the temple. Men could use it, like if they have a balding spot right here, if they would like. Okay, so today I'm using the Rejuva beads. The Rejuva beads is our split-end mender, and this is a treatment that you can use every 2 to 3 washes, and you're just going to use 2 pumps. This is going to be the very first thing you put on your hair if you're using Rejuva beads that day, before your leave-in conditioner, before your styling products. So this is the little travel size. So I just have 2 pumps, and I just rub it in my hair, and we just work it in a downward motion. There's just not a lot to it. It's super simple. It smells nice. This is clinically proven to repair split ends that are less than 3 millimeters. So this is for the very small split ends. And I still say get your trims though. That's just a healthy way to let your hair grow. You can go maybe longer between your trims, but if you're damaging your hair with heat and chemicals, then by the time it gets to the end, it's time to come off. You let your Rejuva beads sit on your hair for about a minute, and I won't probably do quite that. My hair is super sopping wet. Next, I'm going to be using the Restore Leave-In Conditioner. My hair is dry, our house is dry. We have a wood stove on during the winter. I just find that it works well in my hair. The leave-in conditioner is part of the hydration. So my leave-in, and just right after you leave-in, this is a great conditioner actually to have when you're by the pool, by the beach. You can make your own leave-in spray. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you mainly is, everybody, so if you have curly hair or wavy hair, you kind of have to find the routine that works for you. So what works for me is maybe not going to work for you. So just find the products that work best for you. I usually, I've been on a mousse run here. This is the Moxie Mousse. You're going to shake it up really well, as with all of our styling products. You're going to get those oils in there, nice and mixed up. I have found that I can use about 1.5, and then we're done. Can't use any more. I flip it over, and I kind of just get the ends there and scrunch. But this is what I want to show you, because I found that I just lean over to the side and just kind of lightly put it in, scrunch it in, and then I go over to this side and put it in that way. And I'm letting my curls just kind of do what comes natural to them. Let them get in their own little cluster, if you will. And then work in the back too. And then through my drying time, I really just kind of flip my hair back and forth. I just go like this, then I go like this, and just let it air dry that way. And kind of I have a cowlick, so I try to work with my cowlick. My son has one too, and I said, you just got to work with it. You know, you can't fight it all your life, but work with it here. All right. Let's see. Oh, refer a friend. I just wanted to remind you all about this program. If you have a friend that has been on the fence, been enrolled, each VIP has a special link that's connected to your account. If you log in with your password and username, you will be able to see that. You can copy your link. I will be glad to help in any way. I can give samples, I can give recommendations, I have a hair quiz that's online that I can send them the link to, whatever will help you, because you as a VIP, you share your link, you're giving them $20 off, and you're getting $20 off your next flagships. So that's huge. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Let me know what styling products you like. And all right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.